We have arrived at Dunblane, which is just west of Barcaldine. Have a look at this sunset out here behind me. I don't know how well the 360 camera's going to pick that up, but I'll get some pictures of that in a minute. That looks pretty amazing. And it is hot. It's about 36 degrees here, I think, at 5:45 in the evening. So it's still hot. Check out this though. Bathtub here. Now,
you know what I like?
What?
They put the table close enough for me to put my wine on.
Put your drink up there.
Yep.
And look at the way you can fill it up, and you light a fire in that pipe down there, and you can heat the water as it comes through. I don't think that's going to be an issue for us today. I think we need to heat the water.
I don't think we need to heat the water.
But that's pretty neat. So I don't know where the water's coming from down there, but we will start filling this fella pretty soon.
Don't forget about the dunny.
Oh yeah, and there's a drop toilet over there, but that's fine.
Traditional Australian drop dunny.
But the host has left us some timber there to get started with as well, which is good of him. Looks like I've got some QR codes here to come back and have a look at later. When we pulled up, and we weren't quick enough with the camera, but when we pulled up there was some sheep with some young lambs in the paddock here.
Oh, there's a few.
And they're still out there.
Yeah.
You're going to pull the camera out in a minute and pop a zoom lens on and see what you can go. But they were right here when we pulled up, and they kind of made themselves a bit scarce when we pulled up, obviously.
Because you were noisy.
Because I was noisy. But anyway, I think that's about it.
That's our stop for tonight.
Yep, that's our stop for tonight. Let's fill this bathtub.
Okay.
So we've got this hose. The hose pipe is over there. And filling this tub here at the moment. I'll just check that this water be poured. It's cooled down a bit now. The water that came out of it first was like hot. So I mean, I don't know whether we need to worry about lighting that fire. I mean, do you want a hot bath, or are you happy enough with a cooler one?
No, cool bath.
Anyway, the deal is you fill this up first, and then you can light that, and the water then just will circulate through there independently. So we'll fill this first, and I guess get it about halfway and decide whether we want to warm it up or not. There's one drawback with this place, and that is the highway between Barkey and Longreach is there. So when a truck goes past, you can kind of hear it. So although you look out that way and there's no one around, we are pretty close to the highway. However, as I expect, once the sun goes down, I don't expect to see a lot of traffic on that road anyway. It's far enough away. It's not noisy. I just can hear it a bit in the distance. Oh, and the other thing too is there's power over here. It's a powered site. Like, you don't see this very often. So we've parked just over there, closer to where the bathtub and that is, but there's actually power here. Powered site if you need it. So I've probably got enough extension cords to run that, but we could possibly also just as easily park in this spot here as well if we wanted to, and be close to the power if you need it. So if you did have an air conditioner in your van or needed the 240 volts, it's here. Coming out all right?
I have no idea.
The correct answer is of course they are.
I'm taking a shot into the sun, and the little sheep, they're not being compliant.
Oh, aren't they? That's a bit rude.
So, I don't know what any of them are. pulled right out of the ground.
Where'd that come from?
That's
Oh, that's
from the side there. Oh, it's put a dent in the side.
where?
Look at that.
Well, put your hand there again.
It's where's the thing that it clips into here? I mean, it shouldn't be too like. That's bent.
Where the other half of that is. But I might as well roll it up, I guess.
Yeah, but
Oh, it's over here.
shit. That went away.
You need a whole new awning, you just need.
Oh, we said we were going to pack up plastic today.
Alright, so there's a few bits broken. So I've got these bits down here that hold the awning out. But at least it's into a position so we can wrap it up and still drive home rather than have it half torn off the side of the van, which is something at least.
Do you mind?
Yeah.
Conversation.
Yeah, you reckon?
Oh, we're packed up.
How good is this sunset? I'm at the moment sitting in a fire tub. So I've lit a fire in those coils over there, and it uses convection to drag water out of the bottom and bring hot air up through here into there. And you can sit outside and have a bit of a bath, but not in cold water necessarily. It's actually quite warm coming out of there at the moment. Oh, actually it's really warm coming out of there at the moment.
It's got a fire under it. What do you think?
Well, it's the fire's over there rather than under it. So, got a few of those left. Bit of a bevy. What a perfect afternoon.